Hello everyone. Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is Bhairav Battalions. This topic relates to defense section of the UPSC e-syllabus. Let's see why this is in news. The Bhairav Battalions are making their debut at the Army Day Parade in Jaipur on January 15th, 2026. This marks a significant milestone as the Army showcases its newly raised modern warfare units designed to meet the challenges of hybrid warfare in the 21st century. These battalions focus on utilizing cutting-edge technologies such as unmanned aerial systems, drones, and are part of the Army's push towards advanced operational capabilities. Now let's discuss about Bhairav Battalion. The Bhairav Battalions are a new addition to the Indian Army, created to address the rapidly evolving nature of modern warfare. These battalions are equipped with advanced technology, including drones, and are designed to conduct specialized operations, ranging from tactical to operational depth. Raised by the Army headquarters, the Bhairav Battalions are part of a broader force, restructuring that includes the creation of integrated, high-speed, offensive units capable of executing special operations at various levels. They bridge the gap between traditional infantry units and para-special forces, creating a versatile, agile, and technology-driven force. The Army has already raised 15 Bhairav battalions and plans to raise approximately 25 in the near future, further strengthening India's defense capabilities. Now let's discuss about its significance. The Bhairav battalions symbolize India's commitment to modernizing its armed forces in response to rapidly changing warfare dynamics. The integration of unmanned aerial systems, like drones, is a key feature, allowing for precision strikes and surveillance in enemy territory. The battalions are designed for hybrid warfare, combining traditional ground combat with advanced technology such as drones. They can operate across different terrains, adapting to various strategic needs, whether for counter-insurgency, border security, or high-tech warfare operations. The Bhairav battalions are part of a larger transformation in the Indian Army, including the creation of Rudra brigades that combine infantry, mechanized units, tanks, artillery, and special forces. Now it's time to do a practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the Bhairav battalions. 1. The Bhairav battalions are primarily designed to handle hybrid warfare using advanced technologies like drones. 2. The Bhairav battalions focus solely on counter-insurgency operations in urban areas. Which of the above statements are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.